Hello! Today I'm going to talk about the Herbal Essences Totally Twisted Curl Boosting Hair Mousse. Mousse is basically, it's like a hairspray, but it's in a mousse form, and it's more geared towards people with volume in their hair. And I'm going to demonstrate it here, but it is literally a mousse. And don't worry, it doesn't look like this when you blended it into your hair, but that's basically what it is here. So, as you can see, it's a mousse, it's white. It smells really good. It smells like berries, but then again, there are raspberries on the front, so I guess that makes a lot of sense. I have very curly hair, and I love to, let it down and be wild with it, but at the same time, sometimes it's really nice to get rid of the frizz, or if it's a really humid day, mousse is perfect for that because it doesn't take away the texture of the curls. In fact, it might help them, and it takes away all the frizz that is created by terrible weather. And if you have curly hair, you know what I am talking about. Anyhow, this is a great styling product. And it definitely comes in this really nice aerosol container here. It's white, and then it has the purple colors, so it's very colorful, very nice design, and it already makes you want to just hold it and have fun with it, in my opinion. Yeah, so it's mainly for people with curly hair and they want some bounce and they want to work with that frizz control. And this is definitely my favorite. I bought it a month ago and I only use it about once a week because, like I said, I don't necessarily style my hair all the time. I just kind of let it go wild. But when I do really want to look nice, or I'm going to an interview or something, then I always use this. And I always apply it to really wet hair, so I don't advise putting this on your hair if it is dry, because it will kind of create the metal hair, helmet head, I guess, kind of feel where your hair is very hard and straw-like, whereas you won't feel that way if you put it on your hair when it's soaked, right out of the shower. It lasts a really long time. It lasts all day for me. I put it on in the morning when I put it on, and then it lasts me all the way till the evening, till I go to bed. I do have to take a shower to get it out though. So if you're taking a shower in the evening, I suggest that you do that when you put this on. Shower in the morning, shower in the evening, but then again, in the hot summer days right now, that is nothing. It's definitely a great gift for curly hair people, curly girls at least. And there's definitely the natural hair movement going on where people really want to embrace their curls. And this is just such a great product for them. I definitely store it with all my other products for my hair. Some of the ingredients include water and isobutane and propane and other interesting chemicals that I cannot pronounce, but you can see them right here. Herbal Essences is a brand for hair coloring and hair care products, and they're actually by Clairol. It was founded in 1972, and I personally have never traveled with this, but so I really can't tell you if it's something that would be great, to take on a trip with you. But if you're someone who really likes to style your hair with this and appreciates it, then you should definitely take it with you in your luggage. As you can see, there are different strengths. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one's not the strongest, but it still has a very strong hold. So keep that in mind. If you're going for something more flexible and less powerful, I would get a 1 or a 2. It's 6.8 ounces, and I feel it here, and it's pretty full still, so I would say that it's definitely not empty yet. So yeah, so all my curly girls out there, you definitely should try this. Thank you so much for watching this video.